Welcome back, everyone, to the Feroz Moto channel. This is your host, Ryan, here, talking about what we're doing here down at Lime Rock Park's FCPEuro Proving Ground. So this was with modified machines, and I'm just going to talk through what we're going on and what's happening in this session. This is the second session, or second lap, I was able to get out on the course. Thankfully, the group coordinator let me out alone to get some space to actually let the car have some fun. My first couple sessions, I was just stuck behind traffic the whole time, and it was just not fun for me, for anyone who's actually driving with some grip in mind instead of just trying to drift the rear all over the place. But this is the one of the S's area, but it's really a main straight down into the skid pad. Hard brakes into the right as we go towards our second main straight area. Car did fine. Currently I'm on my Pilot Sport All Season 4s from Michelin. A great dual duty purpose tire for the colder months, and what I had just in the meantime as my track set were recorded at the moment I had a vehicle. But here we're going down here, a lot of switches and turns. Of course, a short wheelbase car is going to be having the most amount of fun here in this course, but did not let that stop me from just enjoying the low speed, kind of like autocross type of environment. I was playing with different lines throughout the day, trying to see what was best and fastest, but overall, I'm just out here having a good time and sure beats a day at work. So this turn up here in the uphill definitely gets the car pretty loose in the rear, as you can hear the LSU trying to claw out for power, but if you're a little too silly on throttle, you can definitely get it to rotate. But overall, it was a good time. Temperatures were pretty hot. We were all sweating like crazy. It was around 90 degrees. The nice thing with this group is, of course, you don't need to have a helmet or long pants or anything, even though it's probably stated somewhere. They are really chill about that. So overall, it was a great day, fun time. Of course, I had a short end to my fun with the M3, but I was still able to go out and have some fun with the Miatas. You can check those other videos out on my channel. If you enjoy this content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. It really does help everything out. If you have any questions, please put them down below. I'm always happy to answer and talk about it. But I'm just going to be quiet now. Have you guys enjoy the rest of this session, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Ryan out. much better, no traffic. I really appreciate that they did that. So just 6 loops and go through. I feel like I only got like maybe 2 good laps before the tires start to get a little hot and overworked. We're right around 34, 35 pressure, which is okay. But not bad, pretty fun. I definitely need to figure out how to point the car correctly because it's such a long wheelbase, these are so tight. If I'm not doing that, I'm really trying to work the car to a certain angle. So I'm going to try to get some seat time with someone else, see how it goes, and then have a good time out there and get more footage. So good luck and thanks for watching.